Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to factory reset Dell docking station, step-by-step reset and restore guide. To factory reset a Dell docking station, often referred to as a hard reset or power drain, you need to completely discharge the device's internal capacitors to clear any corrupted settings or firmware states. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to reset your dock. Step 1. Disconnect from PC. Unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable connecting your Dell docking station to your laptop. Step 2. Unplug the power. Then disconnect the AC power adapter from the docking station and the wall outlet. Step 3. Drain residual power. Press and hold the power button on the top or front of the docking station for about 30 to 45 seconds, as this safely drains all stored electricity and clears the dock's internal memory. Step 4. Wait. Then leave the dock unplugged and powered down for at least 1 full minute. Step 5. Reconnect the power. Then plug the AC power adapter back into the docking station and the wall, and wait for about 30 to 60 seconds for the dock to initialize. The LED on the power button may blink 3 times. Step 6. Reconnect devices and PC. Then plug in your peripherals, monitors, USB devices, or Ethernet. And finally connect the USB-C/Thunderbolt cable back to your laptop. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.